Hi people, my name is Arva. I'm student of fashion management from George Brown. Today we are going to talk about how to build a capsule wardrobe. So you must be thinking what's a capsule wardrobe is. Basically, it's a small collection of clothing which can be mixed and matched together to create a large variety of outfits. You don't have to spend a lot of money to build a capsule wardrobe. Just look for trendy pieces which can go with some neutrals you already own. So let's get started with a great fall coat which can go with a neutral dress and Chelsea coat. You can use our same coat for a more casual look with a white turtleneck, knit top and leggings. Or you can wear leggings with a motorcycle jacket and strip knit top and Chelsea coat. You can add black tote to complete the look. The same jacket works with straight leg jeans too. One final look with the same straight leg jeans with the oversized blazer and brown boots. A perfect look to go for a class or co-op. Thanks for joining us.